Is it on?
Yep.
Okay. So first we're gonna put the bobbin into the bobbin casing. Now this is an industrial casing, so it's a little different than the other one, but it works essentially the same way. So with the thread coming towards you, so basically a P, not a Q, you're gonna pop it in there, okay? And then you'll wind it down so it goes through the slot, and pull tight down, just like in a domestic one. This is just a lot bigger. Okay, so it's out there. Pull it, make sure it's spinning counterclockwise. And then you can hold on to the lever to put it in underneath the machine. The biggest trick, have this hole up so you can see it. And when you come in underneath,
Try my best.
I don't know if you can see it, but you just kind of
No.
feel for it and it's gonna pop in. You'll hear it click, fiddle with it, and it's going to, you'll know it's in place. Okay, so that's a bobbin. Leave the thread just hanging. So now for the spool, you're gonna go up through the top. Now this, I've seen way too many things to do with it. I'm not sure of the actual way, but how I've done it is go through the back, and you're gonna go around. This is supposed to slow down so the tension can keep up. I've seen some people just go through one and then to the other, but this seems to be the most reasonable way to do it. Then you are going to go through this part here. First, go in, and then you're gonna go around again. Okay, then go up and you're gonna go through this tension. I don't know why there's two tensions on this one, but it seems to work, so don't fight it. Go through this hole here and pull it down. Okay, so it's all sliding through. Then on here, there's two tension discs you need to go through. So the best way, because you need it to go around this lever here, so go up through the tension discs and kind of tuck it around behind it. So then you've got this. Go around this bar. Now this is a thread guide. It's going to keep everything in the right spot. Then there's this take-up lever. Can you see this is this one here? This is the one that always causes your machine to come unthreaded because it pulls the thread. So you're going to go through the hole, then back down to this thread guide. You're supposed to be able to pop it through, but it's just easier just to slide it in like it's a hole. All right, so now that we're down here, pop it around this thread guide. You can see that one there. There is a tiny hole on the top of the needle. You're going to make sure that you go through that. Now, something I just learned about industrial needles. There is kind of a crater on one side and the other side is flat. The crater side needs to be on the right. That's what guides the thread down and through. Industrial needles are round. They don't have the flat back that domestic machines have. So then your thread needs to be left to right, which is opposite of what we're used to. And pull it through. Next, you're going to do just like you do with your domestic ones. You're going to pull this down. So watch, see how the take-up lever takes a lot of thread? Make sure you have a long thread hanging out the back. And you should be able to pull up a loop just like you would normally. So grab that loop. Nice long threads. Make sure you keep them nice and long. Take them to the back. Close this up.